Hello guys, my name is Biplab Mukherjee and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I am going to show you that how the DC to AC inverter is made by the uh, Proteus software. And uh, for this purpose we should need the 555 timer IC. And I am going to show you that how the 555 timer IC works and what are the internal parts of that. So I'm gonna make two parts of this video. Okay, at the first part I'm gonna show you the 555 timer and all the components and all the function of that timer, and on the next part I will show you that how this 555 timer will go to the Proteus software and make the inverter easily. Okay, so stay tuned, and please if you like this video, then please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel. Thank you. So here it is. I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to discuss about the 555 timer chip. Okay, because this chip has lots of function, and this from this chip we can access our many projects. Okay, so first of all you look the internal parts, internal components of this chip. Okay, so basically this chip has 8 pins: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, from the pin number 1, the ground pin, the ground is covered. Okay, from the pin number 1. Okay, and from the pin number 8 and 4, we can add the voltage. Suppose 12 volt DC supply, 12 volt DC. Okay, 12 volt DC, this two can be joined together. Okay, seriously connected. Okay, so this, so sorry, not seriously, actually this will be parallelly connected, because we have to make this two pins of 12 volt. Okay, now from this 8 pin, okay, from this 8 pin we are going to add a resistor. Okay, RA suppose, and from the pin number 7 we are going to add a variable resistance, because we need variable frequency from the output. Okay, so this will be a variable resistance, or it could be a potentiometer. Okay, and from the pin 6 I am going to add a capacitor. Okay, capacitor, and it should be the grounded, and from pin 5 also a capacitor should grounded. Okay, now this capacitor I'm going to write it as C1 and it's C2. Okay, now see, on this 555 timer chip there is a two comparator. You know that what is the comparator means, right? Yes, you are right. The comparator means the op amps. Okay, so comparators means what? This is a voltage comparator. So if the voltage positive plus V is greater than the minus V, okay, then the output of this computer will be a positive output. But if the negative voltage, negative V, is greater than the positive V, then the converter output will be 0. Same for both the comparator. Okay. Now the second thing is flip-flop. The flip-flop works as when R, there is two component, R and S. There is two pin, R and S. Okay, so R means when R equals to 0 and S equals to 1, then flip-flop output will be 1. Okay, but when R equals to 1 and S equals to 0, then output will be 0. Alright, so therefore this comparator this flip-flop very much depend upon these two comparators. Okay, and from the flip-flop there is output. Okay, pin number 3. From the pin number 3 the output will be a, if this is a stable case, okay, then the output will be like this. Okay, square wave. Okay, and of course these three resistances are there. I heard that three resistances are of 5 kilo ohm, Okay, so that's why this timer named as 555 timer. Okay, 5 5 and 5 timer. Okay, and therefore there is a reference pin, or this is a actually a transistor. Okay, two transistors are there. Okay, and the pin number 6 and pin number 2 should be connected together. Okay, so therefore there is a pin number 2 and there is a pin number 6, so that two pins should be connected. Okay, so this is the 555 timer chip. From this chip we can do the project of inverter, DC to AC inverter. Okay, uh, but we are going to make this project by doing the PWM control. Okay, because this output is not as stable. It's at stable, but it's not like this perfect gap. Okay, because this output has some like this gap. Okay, this gap, this gap. Okay, the positive value is positive value length is more than the zero length. Okay, now the flip flop output, if the flip flop output is 1, then the output main output will be 0. Okay, flip flop output 1 means main output will be 0, and if flip flop output is 0, then main output is higher, that means the peak value. Okay, so that is the 555 timer chip internal parts. Okay, now we are going to do this we are going to use this 555 timer chip in the Proteus software for PWM control. Therefore we are going to do the inverter. Okay, so this is the part 1 of this project. So please make sure you just subscribe my channel, and please like this video if you like. Okay.